version of Mrs. Doubtfire. Welcome to my first ever makeup tutorial video, I guess you want to call it. It's going to be very awkward. Yeah, so today we're going to be doing a Cruella de Vil video. Originally I was wanting to do this look with some like prosthetics, but I kind of think it'd be cooler just to do it with the makeup, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, follow along. I hate long introductions, so let's just jump right into it. First off, what you want to do is I'm going to cover my eyebrows. So what I'm going to do is I just use a all-purpose Elmer's glue stick. So it's actually better to use the purple ones, I think, because you can actually see when they're dry, but I just stole one of my niece's glue sticks and they're white, so that's what we're using today. You want to make sure that all of you don't have any makeup on your eyebrows, because why is the reason for that? Because if there's any makeup, the glue won't really stick and do very well. First off, let's brush these brow babies down. I brush them down because I'm gonna put the glue stick down and then I'm gonna brush them back up. And also, disclaimer, I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay, spreading the glue on there. Glue these suckers down. No, I like to do them. I didn't do that good at all, guys. I'm telling you. But it's okay, we're learning. All right, so you wanna try to not get glue on your skin like I did. This whole video will just be like, don't do what I did. And I suck that so much. Wow. And if you were gonna like go to like a Comic-Con or something like that, or something where you're gonna be like out for a while or sweating, you would just keep doing like just a couple more layers of this. Since I'm just doing it for a makeup look, like I'm gonna take a picture and then it's gonna be done, right? Just the one. But if you wanted it to go for a while, and if you really cared about smoothing it down, you would just keep continuing the process. I know some people watching this have actually done this and they're gonna be like, Elizabeth, you were doing it all wrong. You know who you are. Concealer. Okay, there we go. Over the brows. Over the brows. I have a headphone on, guys, but my music stopped playing. It looks sick. Okay, so I'm going to contour now for her. She kind of has like these little pointy cheeks, right? So I'm just gonna kind of cut into the side of here and cut into my face because I got a pretty round face. And we're just gonna try to like give her kind of jacket shape. I have this paint palette right here. And it's called Athena painting palette by UCANBE. And I think it's grease paint, maybe. I'm not really sure. Oof, I'm going in dark. Okay. So we're gonna cut in the side here and kind of like make like a sharp, like, ooh, like that. All right, that's a sharp shape. We'll do that. She kind of has like this like square jawline. So I'm gonna kind of like a big round chin. That is not even with each other. Oh, hello, look at this. Look at this face structure contouring here. She kind of has like this pig nose. So I'm really gonna try to like we're gonna try to make it kind of like this is the tip of the nose, right? So we're gonna just right like that. And let's see what happens. Oh, we'll start with this and we'll just kind of start blending. Let's just do that. Let's just start beating at our face and see what happens. I'm so white. I'm just gonna like use actual white for a highlighter, I think, to highlight these cheekbones. and blend them out. We're gonna do it here. Oh, hello. Okay. This is like a chin down here. And it kind of looks like a piggy nose. Alright, this is not a good brush. It is stiff. She has a lovely green eyeshadow, and that's mostly the reason why I wanted to do her, is just for the eyeshadow. It's not as green as I really want it to be. I just keep going further and further down with green. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I didn't like how dark it was looking, so I've just gone over it with yellow to make it a lighter color. And this is how it works, kids. We're learning. You do something you don't like, you figure out a way to fix it, right? So I'm putting yellow over it, so. Okay, I feel like at the end of this, I'm just gonna end up going over everything again to make it darker. Because that's what I like. All right, so I have these eyes going on, and I love doing glitter. So I always like to do just a little bit of colored glitter in the middle of the eyes to make them pretty. I like to just pat my glitter on because I feel like when you use a brush, it just doesn't like cake on there, it like falls off. I don't know if that's like, there's a real way to do things, but that's how I've always done it. Oh, that looks great. It's just cover it in glitter and you can't even tell anymore. All right, so now we're going to do the eyebrows. She kind of has like, they're like noodles. They're thin, but it's tapered in the corners. So I don't know what shape you would call that. We're just gonna call them like extra spaghetti noodles. I don't really know if this looks like Cruella de Vil. I probably should have looked and seen what she looks like first, actually. White highlight underneath the brow. I'm just gonna go in right underneath them. Like so. All right, there we go. There we go. There we give her a little wing eye. I want to give her like a little bottom ring too. Like, yeah, a little bottom wing too. Alright, so we have this kind of look right now. I know what you're thinking. I look amazing. So with the black, I'm gonna outline and just follow the curve of your lip, but just exaggerate it a little further out, like where your little hairs are, like your little lip stash. I'm gonna clean this. Just gonna kind of clean everything up. Honestly, it's a little messy looking. I'm gonna put some concealer around all the parts where I messed up my lips. And I think I'm gonna darken. I had set it so it makes the black look lighter. I wanna go back in and darken my nostrils up, and then I'm gonna put on some mascara and fake eyelashes and my wig, and we will be done with this look. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully these videos will get better. But thanks for watching, and I will see you next time on the vlog.